Hi, this is Classic Techart and welcome to another video. As you can see to my computer screen, this is typography design. So this is very simple but a very effective and very meaningful design. So this is just you needed just a bit of time and finally you can do this one very easily. So more than normal talk I will try and see how it happens magically. So first of all, I needed to more little bit more, and keep E. You know this. This is a letter or text or typography design text tones. So I need now just go to the typing tool and press C. I need a little bit bigger. So double click over here and it just like delete all the things and type text tones. That same font you'll see Myriad Pro, and this is the regular style. So I need it now just a little bit bigger for the clear this object. So I'm gonna keep it here and a little bit more good, I think. So I need it now just to go to the object and expand all the things so it will be more flexible. So right now I need it just to just go to the pen tool. Oh no, not a pen tool. I need it now just to take over here and a little bit here like that. It's done. Good. And I go to the pen tool. Like here, I think will be more better. I keep P, P, and exactly I end over here and I change the color like that. It's exactly I have done it this one. Okay, I think this fine, but I will change the color later on. This there is also I need to ungroup all the things. I need to select this one. So I go over here, direct selection, select here by pressing Shift key, and over here to I things, and I think select all the things. Go over here, and I think that all the things. Okay, this is fantastic, and you can now change the color because it will be more clear. And I think which color or that color. Okay, I think this is exactly. And over here, I need it now just to change this color also. See, this is the fantastic. And no more other colors. This is what I the beginning show you. This I need to now just get all the things and keep the I constantly done at this one. So I let it a little bit bigger for group all the things again and A little bit bigger here. You see? This is the very simple but a very meaningful design. If you wanted to promote a company or representative of your company, you need a must design because this logo presents your company's idea, company's some or what is the purpose or something. So please watch my video and share, subscribe. You will get all the next upcoming videos. Thanks for watching.